CTE classes are fun because students get to be a lot more hands-on. So we're teaching them how to design certain things and we have some set projects, but then they also get to apply those skills to make things that they want to make that interest them.
With this hands-on class, you can see, you get more visualization on what it's gonna look like. You get an actual finished product that you can be proud of, you can keep, versus a math class when you're just doing problems and whatnot, and the only accomplishment is really just a grade.
This class is different from other classes. I get to take stuff home that I make. I can build something that I wish I had in real life, but nobody's ever made before. Or I can generally I enjoy working with my hands. It's what I like to do. And being in this class gives me something to do with that.
Students are mostly using CAD, so computer-aided design, to 3D model their components for each of the projects. And then they have to be really careful about precision, dimensioning the pieces to make sure that they fit the measurements. I think any industry that is highly specialized requires a lot of interest in training, and so there are going to be fewer individuals that are equipped to go do those jobs. And so the fun thing about CTE is we're introducing those opportunities to students now so they can decide at 14 years old that that's an industry that exists and can already start getting those skills so that they, by the time they graduate, are ready to go into those jobs.
It's definitely CAD skills, because there's plenty of jobs that use CAD, like CAD technicians and other things. And those can make you good money, and also they're pretty good jobs, good work environments and others. And with college, math skills are definitely #1 thing you need, depending on what field you're what degree you're gonna pursue. So this class is definitely a good one for thinking about the future.
There are a lot of jobs out there that students probably don't even know about that are necessary for not only our community, but maybe even nationwide. An example would be a CNC machinist. So we're introducing students to those jobs, showing them what their career might look like, and then giving them an opportunity to start learning some of those skills here.
CTE classes are very important because when you get out of high school, sometimes you don't want to go straight to a college because that costs a lot of money unless you can get a scholarship, and that's not always an option for everybody. But when you go into the trades, you can get paid while you learn, which is very useful, and in my opinion, it's a really cool job to have because you can make stuff and you see what you get after.